Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a video review on these blinds here. They are cellular blinds. They're blackout blinds. This is item number 0636277. And it says that it reduces your energy costs year round, so I'm really curious about that claim. These are a LEVOLOR brand. This is really cool. When you buy them in the store, they have this big machine. I got these at Lowe's. They have this big machine. They put the box in, and it literally cuts the edges. So they use one generic box, and then they cut it to size. So we got the gray ones. Okay, and this is one of them installed. Since our windows are so short, they're actually like Anderson old awning windows. We had to get the normal length ones, which you can see they can actually go down pretty dang far. Okay, so these actually go 72 inches down, which is insane. So if you want to pull them up, you hit the button and it unlocks it there. And so that's what they look like fully up. So there's directions that come with it, and they're pretty easy to follow, but I'm just going to show you how to do it really quick. So here's where the machine literally cuts them. Like it literally slices the box and they tape over it. It's awesome. Alright, and here's what's going to be in the box. It all comes kind of strapped together. It says do not discard, use for recut. What? Why would I keep... Anyway. Here's the manual, of course, taped to it. Then you have the end pieces here. These are the caps for the sides. And then, so this was kind of tricky. It comes with the mounting brackets on here. And to get these off, you think you would like pinch this or something. What you actually do is you just push this forward. So here it is, push, or it'll pinch, and then it'll pop out of that track, and then you can take it off. So here's what I'm saying, these caps go on the very ends. So these will go on the ends here. Alright, so the metal mesh membrane is actually inside. So you can see that's metallic in there. It's not really metal, it's more like a foil, like a very thin foil, but it should help. We're going to go ahead and take the caps off this tape so I can put the caps on. Of course, the ones with the holes go on the bottom. Caps are actually labeled, like this one says L bottom on it. Can't get any easier than that. So left side, and it's like shaped in such a way that you couldn't possibly put it on the wrong side. There we go, caps on. Simple as that. Okay, so you don't want to crack your window frame itself, so you're going to get a 1/16 drill bit to pre-drill the holes. So we're going to hang these flush. Ooh. We're going to hang these flush to the window. So they even say top on these. You cannot do this wrong. See how it says top? So I'm going to drill like here, which gives us room to push it out if we need. I'm just going to get my 2 starter holes here. Okay, that marks my spots. And I wish I had a longer drill bit, but here we are. Good enough. Okay. Okay, just need to do it enough so it doesn't crack this. And try not to hit your window when you're doing that. I think the worst part of this install for me is trying to get it on camera. Okay, get over there. Make sure you drill it in there straight. Get both sides started before I lock her down. Making sure to get her straight. You can also mount these on the side, so like if I had a flat part here, I could mount it here and just drill this way. And already, I just had this end fall out of here, so maybe the pressure fit isn't as good as they thought. Oh. Yep, see, I just knocked that one out. So if you twist on this, it just pops these ends right out. For 80 bucks a piece, that's not good. I have to glue them or something. That's ridiculous. Anyway, go ahead and pop these in. And make sure you center it on there. And this is fun. Alright, center. And just push. 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 Oh, that's one. That's two, I think. And here's my click. There it goes. Okay. And then it kind of sticks together, like they said in the manual, because the heat generated from the cutting kind of glues them together. So you want to expand it out all the way so you don't have to hear that horrible noise for the next 20 years. Then, take it back up. Make sure it's working. Lower it back. And set her in place. And there you go. You got blinds. Okay, so now time for the real tests. The first test is, does this actually insulate? I mean, you'd think it would. It feels warmer if you put your hand in front of it. And then in front of the window, it feels warmer. But I wonder if maybe instead of insulating, the cold air is just flowing out through the 1/4 inch gap on the side. Alright, so here's the window. So we got 68.2-ish. And let's go over here to where it's open to the outside. Okay, so there's barely any difference here. Okay, so I can't think of any good way to actually test the theory that these will actually insulate your house. It could be all psychological. It feels like it's warmer in front of this window than the open window, but you know, maybe I want to not realize that I just spent $360 on blinds. Anyway, the test that I can perform is light blocking. So we're going to get a baseline here. Okay, so here's the baseline of how bright the room is with the blinds up. Okay, and here is the light blocking ability of the blinds. It's really dark in here. It's not as dark as if you would say taped cardboard over your windows, which I have in the past when I worked night shift, but I can also say that these aren't really deadening the sound that much. We have a busy road here, and there's no difference between when the blinds are open and blinds are closed, so you can still hear the traffic. That's my review of these LEVOLOR blinds. If you can find a way to test the whole energy saving claim, post a comment. I'll do the test as long as I don't have to buy some expensive thermocouple or something. But anyway, thanks for watching.